Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to set the reminders in Microsoft Outlook in 2026. So this method allows you to control exactly which emails or the events trigger a pop-up, helping you to stay focused without missing the important updates. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your computer. Now, once you have done that, simply click on this settings icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. So once you see this type of settings pop up in front of you, you just have to hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of the general tab. Over here in the general tab, simply look for the option of notifications. So this is the main control center for all of your alert preferences. Over here, you will see the section that says for mail, for calendar, or for documents. So you just have to click the small arrow right next to it in order to expand these options. Here you can toggle the allow notifications to on and off. You can also choose if you want a sound played or a desktop banner displayed when a new email arrives. Next, you can expand the calendar section here. You can use the toggles to decide how you want to be notified about the upcoming events. You can set the specific alert times, like you can set it to the 15 minutes before, and then you can choose the distinct sound for the meeting reminders so that you can basically distinguish them from the regular emails. So once you have configured your preferences, simply close the settings window, and your new Outlook is now set to the alert that you have exactly set, and basically you are going to now get the reminders of all of the emails based on the preferences that you have selected. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.